Greetings with peace, viewers. Our healthy recipes for today is ginger, lemon, cucumber, and honey. Cucumber is a widely cultivated plant in the gourd family Cucurbitaceae. It is a popular vegetable worldwide, known for its refreshing and crisp taste. Cucumbers are low in calories and a good source of vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the nutrients found in cucumbers: vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber. Slice the cucumber into small pieces. Ginger is a popular spice that is used in many cuisines around the world. It is also used for its medicinal properties, as it has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-nausea effects. In terms of nutrients, ginger is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including manganese, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Peel the ginger and cut into small pieces. Lemon is a citrus fruit that is known for its sour taste and acidic properties. It is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, potassium, and limonoids. Slice and extract the lemon, then drain it to remove the seeds. Prepare your blender and put the cucumber and ginger, then add water. Use strainer to drain the mixture. Put the lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and then mix well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink this in 30 minutes before going to bed.